Hi guys! Welcome back sa aking channel. Today, itatry natin gumawa ng Dalgona coffee. Yon. Hindi ako masyadong coffee lover kasi inaantok ako kapag nagkakape ako. So, ayan guys. Samahan nyo ako. Gagawa tayo ng Dalgona coffee. And wish me luck!
The ingredients are ice, coffee, milk, and sugar. And what you need is obviously a glass cup, a metal straw or any kind of straw, and a measuring spoon, and you need a whisker and a bowl. Any
Mixing
kind.
bowl.
Any kind. Like a bowl or mixing bowl. Yes.
So, ayan. Start na tayo.
Yeah. Bye.
Thank you guys for watching. So, ayun ang aking Dalgona coffee vlog. Didn't expect na ganun ang kalalabasan. Masarap naman siya in fairness. So, try nyo rin at home. And thank you all so much guys for watching. Please stay at home. And God bless you guys. Bye!